55 and I have been doing this for 50 years. A half a century of going into the woods, into thickets since I was a little boy. After I hurt my eye, I was blinded in my left eye. I think I retreated from the world to the world of thickets. So I started sleeping outside a lot when I was a little boy. Usually with my dog, whatever dog, at the same time. And I felt much happier sleeping out in the forest, especially in the summer, obviously. And perhaps someday I think I will even die laying out by a fire under the stars, which is a much better way to live, perhaps.